Hey everyone, welcome back. Is the Claude app stop update stuck on waiting or not even showing up in the App Store? Here's how to force it through. First, open your App Store and tap on your profile picture at the top right corner. Pull down on the screen to force a fresh refresh of all the available updates. Then look for Claude in the list of apps and then tap update if it appears. If the update is stuck on waiting, tap and hold the Claude icon on your home screen. Tap pause download and then tap it again to resume the download. If it keeps failing, go to your settings, then go to general, then scroll down to iPhone storage. Go to the list of apps and find Claude, tap on it and then tap offload app. After offloading it, go to the App Store and reinstall it fresh from there. Also, in the stores, make sure that you have at least 1 to 2 gigabytes of free space since updates fail silently when storage is too low. Also, try switching from Wi-Fi to mobile data in the settings before retrying if the download keeps on stalling. So all you've got to do is App Store pull to refresh, pause and resume if stuck, free up storage, try mobile data, cloud updates, and that's it. Subscribe.